and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be breaking down practical tips that can help you become a paid freelancer, how freelancing actually works, why many beginners struggle to land their first clients, and the key things you need to focus on if you want to start getting paid for your skills. If you are coming across my video for the first time, do well to subscribe and click on the notification icon so that you will be notified whenever I share a new video. In this channel, I release regular updates and tips on how to make money online and become more effective in online platforms. Now let's get into the topic in more detail. Freelancing has become one of the most popular ways to earn money online. With the growth of remote work and digital platforms, individuals from different parts of the world can now offer their skills and services to clients globally. Instead of being limited to job opportunities within your immediate environment, freelancing allows you to connect with businesses and entrepreneurs who are looking for help with specific tasks and projects. Many companies today prefer hiring freelancers for certain jobs rather than employing full-time staff. This gives businesses flexibility and allows them to work with professionals who specialize in different areas. As a result, there is now a growing demand for freelancers in fields such as writing, graphic design, video editing, web development, social media management, digital marketing, and virtual assistants. However, while the opportunities are growing, many people still struggle to become paid freelancers. Some people learn skills but do not know how to position themselves in the marketplace. Others create profiles on freelancing platforms but fail to attract clients. There are also people who give up too early because they expect quick results. The truth is that becoming a paid freelancer usually requires more than just having a skill. It involves understanding how to present your abilities, communicate your value to clients, and consistently demonstrate professionalism. In this video, I will share practical tips that can help you transition from simply having skills to actually earning money as a freelancer. These strategies are designed to help you build credibility, attract clients, and gradually establish yourself in the freelancing world. Let's now move into the main tips. The first step to becoming a paid freelancer is identifying your marketable skills. Many people assume they must learn something extremely complex before they can start freelancing, but this is not always true. There are many skills that clients are willing to pay for, and some of them may be skills you already possess. Examples of freelance skills include writing, editing, graphic design, data entry, customer support, social media management, transcription, web development, and video editing. Even organizational skills or administrative abilities can be valuable in the freelancing world. The key is to focus on skills that solve real problems for clients. Businesses are usually willing to pay freelancers who can help them save time, improve productivity, or increase their revenue. One way to identify market demand is by exploring freelance marketplaces such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. By browsing through these platforms, you can see what services clients are requesting and what freelancers are offering. Pay attention to the skills that appear frequently in job listings. This will help you understand which services are currently in demand and how you can position your skills accordingly. If you discover that your current skills are not in high demand, you can still take time to learn new ones. The internet provides many resources that allow people to develop digital skills through online courses, tutorials, and practical projects. The most important thing is to start with a skill that you are willing to practice and improve consistently. Once you have identified your skill, the next important step is building a professional portfolio. A portfolio is essentially a collection of work samples that demonstrate your abilities to potential clients. When clients are considering hiring a freelancer, they usually want to see examples of the freelancer's previous work before making a decision. If you have worked for clients before, you can include those projects in your portfolio. However, if you are just starting out and do not have client work yet, you can still create sample projects that showcase your skills. For example, if you want to become a freelance writer, you can write blog posts, articles, or product descriptions as samples. If you are a graphic designer, you can design logos, social media posts, or promotional materials for imaginary brands or personal projects. The purpose of these samples is to show potential clients what you are capable of doing. Your portfolio should be well organized and easy to understand. Each sample should include a brief explanation of the project, the problem it addresses, and the solution you provided. This helps clients see not only the final result but also your thinking process. In addition, presenting your work professionally can make a big difference. You can create a portfolio website, upload your work on professional platforms, or organize your samples in a clean and visually appealing format. A strong portfolio increases your credibility and significantly improves your chances of getting hired. Another important step in becoming a paid freelancer is setting competitive and realistic rates for your services. Many people struggle with pricing their work. Some people charge extremely low rates because they believe this will attract more clients. Others set very high prices even though they have little experience. Both approaches can create problems. Charging extremely low rates may attract clients initially, but it can also make clients question the quality of your work. On the other hand, charging too much without having a strong reputation can make it difficult for clients to trust you. A practical approach is to research what other freelancers in your field are charging. Look at freelancers who have a similar level of experience and observe their pricing structure. If you are just starting out, you may choose to set slightly lower rates while you build your portfolio and gain positive reviews. Over time, as your experience grows and you receive testimonials from satisfied clients, you can gradually increase your prices. It is also important to remember that freelancing is not just about charging for time. Clients are usually paying for the value you bring and the results you help them achieve. Finding your first client is often one of the most challenging stages of freelancing. However, it is also one of the most important steps because it marks the beginning of your professional freelancing journey. Freelance marketplaces such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are useful platforms where beginners can start searching for opportunities. These platforms connect freelancers with clients who are actively looking for services. When applying for freelance jobs, avoid sending generic proposals. Instead, take time to read the client's job description carefully and respond with a message that shows you understand their needs. Explain how your skills can help solve their problem and highlight any relevant experience or samples you have created. Another effective strategy for finding clients is networking. Let people within your personal and professional circles know that you offer freelance services. You can also share your work on professional networking platforms such as LinkedIn. Sometimes your first clients may come from referrals, friends, or people who have seen your work online. Consistency is very important during this stage. You may not receive responses immediately, but continuous effort and improvement in your proposals can eventually lead to your first project. After securing your first client, your next priority should be delivering high-quality work. Your reputation as a freelancer is built on the experiences clients have when working with you. Completing projects on time, communicating clearly, and paying attention to details can leave a positive impression. Satisfied clients are more likely to leave good reviews, recommend you to others, and hire you again for future projects. Freelancers who build strong reputations often find that clients begin to approach them directly instead of them constantly searching for work. This is why professionalism, reliability, and quality delivery are extremely important in freelancing. Even small projects should be treated with the same level of seriousness and dedication as large projects. The digital world is constantly evolving, and freelancers who want to remain competitive must be willing to continue learning. New tools, technologies, and trends appear regularly in many industries. By updating your skills and expanding your knowledge, you can offer better services and access higher-paying opportunities. Learning does not always require expensive courses. You can learn through tutorials, online communities, practical projects, and educational content available on platforms like YouTube. The important thing is to remain curious and committed to personal growth. Freelancers who consistently improve their skills often discover new ways to increase their income and expand their services. Freelancing also requires good time management and self-discipline. Since freelancers often work independently, they are responsible for managing their schedules and completing tasks without direct supervision. Creating a structured work routine can help you stay organized and productive. You should also keep track of deadlines, client communication, and project progress. In addition, freelancers should learn to manage the business side of their work. This includes tracking income, managing expenses, and maintaining clear agreements with clients regarding project expectations. Treating freelancing as a professional business rather than just a casual side activity can greatly improve your chances of long-term success. As we come to the end of this video, it's important to remember that becoming a paid freelancer takes a combination of skill, preparation, and persistence. By identifying your marketable skills, building a professional portfolio, setting fair rates, finding clients strategically, delivering quality work, and continuously learning, you can gradually establish yourself as a reliable freelancer in the online marketplace. I hope you learned something valuable from this video and feel more confident about starting your freelancing journey. If you did, please do well to like this video, share it with others who are interested in freelancing, and leave your thoughts or questions in the comment section below. Your feedback helps me create more content that can help you succeed. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.